Right then, lads and lasses, gather round. Today we're talking about a proper British bird, the Vickers VC10. First taking to the skies in 1962, this sleek jet airliner was a symbol of British engineering prowess. It was designed for the long haul, built to carry passengers in comfort and style. This wasn't some cobbled-together contraption, this was a proper aeroplane, a testament to British ingenuity. The VC10 was a product of its time, a time when Britain still led the world in aviation. It was a time when air travel was glamorous, and the VC10 embodied that glamour. It was a beautiful machine with its sleek lines and powerful engines. It was a symbol of Britain's place in the world, a reminder that we could still build things that were the envy of the globe. Now, what set the VC10 apart from the rest of the pack was its rather unique design. While other manufacturers were sticking their engines under the wings, Vickers decided to be different. They plonked all four engines back on the tail, a bit like a giant jet-powered pigeon. Now, I know what you're thinking, isn't that a bit odd? But bear with me, because there was a method to this aeronautical madness. See, by putting the engines at the back, the wings were left nice and clean. This meant less drag and better fuel efficiency, crucial for those long-haul flights. It also meant a smoother ride for the passengers, as there was no engine noise to contend with. And let's be honest, nobody wants to listen to a screaming jet engine while they're trying to enjoy their in-flight meal. The VC10 wasn't just a pretty face, it was a powerful beast as well. Those four Rolls-Royce Conway engines gave it some serious grunt, especially at high altitudes. This made it perfect for operating in hot and high conditions, something that other airliners struggled with. You see, thinner air at high altitudes means less lift for the wings. But the VC10's powerful engines and clean wing design meant it could take off and land on shorter runways, even in scorching temperatures. This made it a popular choice for airlines operating in Africa and the Middle East, where temperatures could soar. It could handle the heat, it could handle the altitude, and it could do it all while carrying a full load of passengers. It was the aviation equivalent of a Land Rover, rugged, reliable, and built for adventure. Section 4. A transatlantic sprint setting the standard. Speaking of adventure, the VC10 wasn't afraid of a bit of speed either. In fact, it held the record for the fastest transatlantic flight by a subsonic jet airliner for over a decade. In 1965, a BAC VC10 flew from New York to London in a blistering 5 hours and 1 minute. That's faster than some of the modern jets flying today. This record-breaking flight cemented the VC10's place in aviation history. It proved that this British-built beauty was not only comfortable and reliable, but also blazingly fast. It was a proud moment for British aviation, a reminder that we could still build world-beating aircraft. Section 5. From Queen's Flight to Frontline Service Military Adaptations. But the VC10 wasn't just about ferrying passengers across the globe. It also served with distinction in the Royal Air Force. The RAF used the VC10 for a variety of roles, including troop transport, VIP transport, and even aerial refueling. Now, I know what you're thinking. A refueling tanker? Isn't that a bit boring? But trust me, in the world of aviation, the ability to refuel in mid-air is a bit like having a superpower. It means you can stay airborne for longer, fly further, and reach destinations that would otherwise be impossible. The VC-10's ability to perform this role made it a valuable asset to the RAF, and it continued to serve in this capacity for many years. Section 6, Enduring Legacy, a testament to British aviation. So there you have it, the Vickers VC10, a proper British jet that was ahead of its time. It was a beautiful machine, a technological marvel, and a testament to the skill and ingenuity of British engineers. It may not be flying anymore, but its legacy lives on, a reminder of a time when Britain ruled the skies. The VC-10 was more than just an airplane. It was a symbol of British pride. It showed the world that we could still build things that were beautiful, innovative, and just plain cool. It may be gone, but it'll never be forgotten. It was a proper British jet, and that's what matters.